Hello, friends! Today we're going on an amazing adventure with our friends from Neverland. Let's go to adventure. I think so. We need level 80. Okay. We need 4 corners. Yes. Corners number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Corners number 1. I see corner. But I don't know where is he placed. Maybe this? Not, it is not right. Are this? Oh no, friend. I was wrong. This? Yes, look, it is right. Cool. I love it. Okay, question number 2. Where is he placed? This? No, it is not right. Or this? No. Oh no, I was wrong. Okay, human variance number 3. Yes. It is right. Cool. Look, it is right. Corners number 3. This is corners. Maybe 3. We have only 2 ones. These are these, and I don't know where is he placed, but maybe this. Not. It's not right. No. And warrant. It is right. Cool, friends. And corners number 4. This? I was wrong. It's not corners. This is corners. And I think so. It is right. Yes! It is right. Cool, friends. Amazing. It is amazing. Now, oh, look. We did it. Now we have 4 corners. Woohoo! And now we need 4 lines. This, and this. All pitch puzzles with 1 solid line. And I see. I think so. We need pitch puzzle this. Where is pitch puzzles with line this? Look, friends. I see pitch puzzles with 1 side line, and I think so. This is pitch puzzles for this place. Yes, look at this, right. Cool. Yay. And now we need pitch puzzles with line this. Yes. Maybe these pitch puzzles? No, I'm wrong. It is not right. Are this? Yes, look at this, right. Cool, friends, we did it. We have a real pirate. Yeah. Now we need 2 pitch puzzles with line this. And I see 1 pitch puzzles with line this and 2. Okay, these pitch puzzles, this or this? Okay, maybe this. No, sorry, I was wrong. It is not right. Okay, where is number 2? Yay! It's school. It is right. And this which puzzles this. Yeah. Cool. I like it. Amazing. Perfect. And beautiful. And now we need 2 pitch puzzles with line this. And I see 2 pitch puzzles with line 1 and 2. Okay. These pitch puzzles? This or this? I think so, this. Yes! Look at this, right! Cool! And well, 1 pitch puzzles with line, and we did it! Yay! We did it! Look, friends! Now we have a 4 line, and all pitch puzzles with line we have. Cool. And we need only 2 peach puzzles in the center. And I think so. These peach puzzles. Maybe this. No, it is face for Jack. Jack, sorry, I'm wrong. It is you face. Yay! It's right. And friends, we did it. Oh yeah.
Block and tackle! There's no way to get to Captain Hook and his crew!
Izzy, this is an emergency!
Pixie dust away!
Thank you, friends. Thank you. We did it. Wow, it is amazing. Very interesting adventures. Thank you, Jack, and thank you, friends. And please subscribe and like this video, and see you soon. Bye.